CodeNet is a modernized, high-profile programming channel. It has not less than 13 programming languages. The current vision of CodeNet is to simplify programming. It provides the knowledge that is applicable in software engineering, computer science, information technology, databases, data science, networks, and machine learning. 4 videos are uploaded each week with respect to different and respective courses available on the channel. Lessons are freely offered to anyone who wishes to learn. Sessions provided target different platforms, of which we have web design and development at full stack level, mobile application development, database design, administration and development, system development, and overall software development. Truthfully, we are nothing without your support. Hence, we humbly and politely ask for your subscription. Share the respective links to friends, students, tutors, and anyone who wishes to learn programming at an easy step. Object-oriented with Java, Introduction to C++, HTML, Oracle DB programming, CSS, which is Cascading Stylesheet language, Kotlin, JavaScript, database management system, MySQL database programming, operating systems concept, PHP programming, data structures and algorithms with C++ and SQL are the available full courses here on CodeNet. CodeNet, easy programming.